Okay, just an FYI, in case your screen doesn't look like my screen, I just happen to be using the classic screen layout. You may be using the default screen layout, in which case your information is going to be over here. Okay, I'll leave it here. What the heck? All right, so you've got your image of your record on the screen. You double click on it. That brings up the image resource. You should be in the basic, and the only thing you need is to use the transform. And these little diamonds indicate keyframes. So we can add keyframes either using this, or we'll just use this here. So let's assume that you want to spin this record. I'm not going to extend it, but however long you want to spin it, you would stretch your image out to whatever length that is. And then you're going to have to repeat your keyframes. So we're going to start out, and all you're going to use is the rotation here. And we're going to place the first keyframe at timestamp 000. And we'll just click this, and that will be our first keyframe that will be inserted here. Then we will move the playhead to wherever. You'll notice that there's a little blue diamond here now. And now we no longer have to do anything with adding keyframes. Every time we change the rotation, then it's going to add a keyframe. So we would just go 360. Now we could type this value in. We don't need to actually, well, now that I think of it, maybe we spin it a couple of times. Let's see here. We'll spin it that many times. And then what we're going to do is I'm just going to stretch out the timeline here. And I'm going to drag this one since we've spun it a number of times. So between here and here, the computer is going to interpolate the record. So let's just play it back. And there you go. You got your spinning record. So you decide how many times you want to spin it just by increasing the rotation. And you add a keyframe at the first spot, and then after you make your rotation, you drag the second keyframe to wherever it is. This happens to be 3 seconds worth of rotation. So when we play it, we get this. So if that's what you're looking for, then here you go.